I call them the cornerstones of your language progress as a learner. And the reason I love to talk about them is because they will drag you back, reshape you, and push you like a rocket to a higher level in language in terms of proficiency, fluency, accuracy, whatever you call it. The first element is the consecutive failures that you have. Now, I'm talking to you about this topic not because I want you to feel frustrated. No, I'm talking to you just to tell you that any kind of move you make in life will have future implications. So no matter how much effort you do right now, it will pay off in future. If you do little effort with your language, it will come and bite you, stab you on your back in future. So there's always this kind of future shadowing of everything that you do at this moment. And the moral lesson that I'm thinking about right now is do a little bit more effort, because it is going to pay off in 5 to 10 years. Believe me. I mean, you don't have to believe me, but I'm telling you this based on what I have gone through. A second thing that I'm always thinking about, and I find it very funny, it's the amount of frustration and ridicule people give you when you start learning language. People think you're a comedian just because you're practicing all the time. They will make fun of you. They will always make you feel like you're the black sheep. Now, does that mean that you're wrong and they're right? No. Sometimes we have to swim against the flow. And that's just because you need to struggle your way, create your path, or carve your path in stone to get to a point where nobody else has gotten to. And last thing is your self-ego. Now, why am I talking about self-ego? It's a kind of psychological consciousness issues that probably intermingle here. Ego or self-ego is always something that is risky, dangerous, and probably endangering to your persona. No matter how much stigma you get from language learning, people ridicule you, they will eventually come back and ask you for help. So be ready. But don't be selfish and be open-minded. Think of yourself as a constant learner. No matter how much you progress, no matter how professional you become, you're not going to be perfect. So take it easy, move on, try to learn. If you find someone better than you, learn from them. If you find someone less than you in information, help them. That's it. Have a beautiful day.